A very warm good morning to my lovely students. I hope so you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, today I have a surprise for you. And the surprise is, today onwards I will take your maths classes, not English classes. So let's start our maths work. Now let's discuss what we have done till yesterday. We are done with exercise 1.4 and first question of exercise 1.5. So babies, exercise 1.5 is related to Roman numerals. So today let's clear our basics of Roman numerals. So let's start it. Students, as you can see here, I have written some English alphabet like I, V, X, M, D, C and L. So you must be thinking, what are these letters in Roman numerals? So these all are basic numerals or standard numerals used in Roman numerals. With the help of these letters or these numerals only, we form different numbers of Roman numerals. Now, you must be thinking, these English alphabets are used for which numerals? So let's have a look. Students, as you can see here, these are the symbols used in Roman numerals and these are their Hindu Arabic numerals. So I is used for 1, then V is used for 5, X is used for 10, L is used for 50, C is used for 100, D is used for 500 and M is used for 1000. With the help of these 7 symbols, we form all the Roman numerals. How to do that? Let's have a look. Students, as we know that I means 1 in Hindu Arabic numeral. Now, what will be symbol for 2 in Roman numeral? Let's learn this. Now, how to form 2? 1 plus 1. Now, what is used for 1? I. And what is used for 1 again? I. So, I and I makes I, and this is how we write 2 in Roman numerals. Like that, we can do for 3. For 3, how? We can get 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. You know that, right? Now, what is used for 1? I, then again I, and then again I. So I makes triple lines. And this is 3 in Roman numerals. So like that we do, or we create, or we form Roman numerals with the help of basic symbols, suppose like I. Now next number is 4. How to write 4 in Roman numerals? Students, we know that I is used for 1, like that V is used for 5. So what we have to keep it in our mind, that 4 is near to 5 or 1. So 4 is closer to 5. So how can we get 4? One method can be this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means long one. It shows that 4 is very far from 1. Another, what can be? How can we get 4 with the help of these two digits? We can get like this, 5 minus 1. That is also 4. So we'll go by this method. So for numbers, we have to check which is closer. So 4 is closer to 5, and with the help of this 5 minus 1 we'll get value of 4. See how we'll do that? 5 minus 1 is 4. Now for 5 we use V and for 1 we use I. Now remember one thing, when we have minus sign, then finally how to write in Roman numerals? We write last one at first and first one at last this. So IV is 4 in Roman numerals. Now next is number 6. Now how to write 6 in Roman numerals? As we know that 6 can be written like this, 5 plus 1, and for 5 what we use? We use V, and for 1 what we use? I. So write together and it becomes VI. So VI is for 6. Now how to write 7? So we know that 7 can be written like this, 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now 5 is written like V, for 1 there is I, and for 1 that is I. So write all together and it becomes VII. So VII is for 7. Then we have number 8. So 8 can be written like this, 5 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1. So for 5 we use V, then for 1 I, then again I, and then again I. Now write all together. This is VIII, and this is for number 8. Now students, how to write 9 in Roman numerals? So as we know that for 10 we write X in Roman numerals. Now we have to find out for 9 how to write 9 in Roman numerals. Now compare, 9 is closer to 5 or 9 is closer to 10? Yes, 9 is closer to 10. So what we'll do, as I told you in how to write 4, we will follow same procedure. What we can do, we can write like this, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It shows that 9 is far from 5. Now, or what we can do? We can do 10 minus 1. So, this is closer. So, we'll go through this one. Now, how to do? Have a look. So, for that, we'll do 10 minus 1. Now, we know that for 10, we use X, and for 1, we use I. As I told you, when there comes minus sign, for that what to do? We write second one at first and first one at second place. So it becomes IX. So for 9, what we write in Roman numerals? IX. Now students, like that we can do for all the numerals. How? Have a look on 11. Now 11 can be written like 10 plus 1. So for 10 what we do? We use X, and for 1 we use I. So this is X, I. Right? Like that for 12, X, I. For 13, X, I. Now for 14, we know that 10 plus 4. For 10, X, and for 4, I. Then for 15, 10 plus 5. So for 10, X, and for 5, V. After that, 16. Now students, 16 can be written like this, 10 plus 6. Now we know that for 10, we use X, and for 6, we use VI. So it becomes VXIV. So this becomes X V I is 16. For 17, 10 and 7 is V I. For 18, X and 8 is V I. Now the question is for 19. So 19 can be written like 10 plus 9. We know that for 10 we use X and for 9 we use IX. So it becomes XIX. So 19 is XIX. Now come to 20. How to write 20? So we know that 20 can be written like 10 plus 10 and this is X, this is again X, so it becomes X for 20. So 20 is X. So students, like that you can do and you can find out all the Roman numerals how to write. Okay, I hope so you enjoyed it. So that's all for today's session. Now see you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.